The centre has said in a new RTI reply that the PM Cares Fund set up for COVID donations is established by the government and therefore a public entity, in contrast to its own recent claim on its website that the fund is private. The government in its reply said PM Cares is a body owned by, controlled by and established by the Government of India but does not come under the RTI or Right to Information law as it receives private funds. Moving on to the next news. Days after he wrote a scathing letter to Delhi and District Cricket Association demanding the removal of his name from a stand in Kotla Stadium, legendary spinner Bishan Singh Bedi has now threatened to take legal action against the DDCA if his name is not removed from the spectators' stand at the Firoz Shah Kotla Stadium with immediate effect. Mr. Bedi had written a letter on Wednesday in protest of the planned statue of late Arun Jaitley in stadium premises, over which Bedi also quit the membership of DDCA. I hope in our country people still have a right to decide as individuals what they wish to be associated with and where their nameplates can hang with dignity. Please don't push me to take legal recourse, Mr. Bedi said. Moving on to the next news. While Prime Minister's monthly radio address Mann Ki Baat was broadcast this morning, farmers protesting against the centre's new farm sector laws clanged thalis and raised slogans. The demonstration took place in Rohtak in BJP-ruled Haryana. The protest by clanging thalis during PM Modi's address was announced last Sunday. Moving on to the next news, superstar Rajinikanth, who was admitted to a hospital in Hyderabad on Friday with irregular blood pressure, has been released. His medical report showed there is nothing alarmingly wrong with him, doctors said earlier in the day. With a medical update had on Saturday said that doctors had found no major health problems with him. They were waiting for some more investigative reports before coming to any conclusions. Moving on to the next news, the Oxford coronavirus vaccine will protect 95% of patients and is as effective as the Pfizer and Moderna alternatives, Pascal Soriot, chief executive AstraZeneca, told British Daily The Sunday Times, adding that scientists had figured out a winning formula to get efficacy up there with everybody else. However, AstraZeneca, a British-Swedish pharma giant, has yet to release the data confirming these claims.
Hello everyone, HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.